First of all, houseplans, the only place online where you can get a complete set of houseplans ready for construction. You need more than just architectural plans. You also need engineering plans to build your dream home. Our house plans are built virtually using the latest design technology, which allows us to comply with your local building code, produce project construction schedule, detailed material lists, and accurate construction estimates. All these are included in your set and are generated from our 3D virtual models. You will also have full access to our virtual construction design viewer, allowing you to have a clear understanding of your house plans by being able to see every detail. Schedule a free meeting now to start your home dream design.